All right, Kidster, this is the first question, and it says, which detail from pages 24 through 28 suggests that Snowflake Bentley's community valued his work to photograph snowflakes? So the answers are A. The children in his village work to set up a museum in his honor. B. Strangers came to learn about snowflakes. C. He gave speeches about snow to faraway scholars. And D. Scientists raised money so Bentley could write a book. Write your answer in your paper and explain why did you choose this answer. You can pause the video while you answer this question. Question number 2. Why did the author include the fact on page 25 about money Willie spent and earned with his photographs? A. To give evidence that Willie did not take pictures in order to make money. B. To convince others to take snow photographs. C. To describe the beautiful images that Willie created. D. To show readers how to make their own snow photographs. Write your answer in your paper and explain why did you choose this answer. You can pause the video while you are answering this question. Question number 3. On page 24, what does the word sky watchers refer to? A. Birds. B. People who think Willie's pictures are foolish. C. Actions that lead to snowfall. D. People who are interested in the weather. Write your answer in your paper and explain why did you choose this answer. Pause the video while you are answering this question. Question number 4. The photographs on the last page of the book show A. The reason Willie likes taking photographs of snowflakes. B. Who bought Willie's book? C. What Willie and his snowflakes really looked like. D. How Willie created his photographs. Write your answer in your paper and explain why did you choose this answer. This is the last question of the exit ticket. As soon as you finish answering this question, go back to the Google form and put in all the answers you wrote on your paper in the exit ticket.